do anti-spin, in-spin, then anti-spin, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then maybe turn back the other way just for balance, and then repeat. So let's do, so that would be the combination, because it's good to remember all you do is this, but all you do is, in this case, I think it's useful to be clear what that is. Reversing at the bottom, reversing at the bottom, reversing at the bottom, reversing at the bottom. You can use your other hand here to ensure that you are doing the full range of motion without actually spinning it, right? So you would go like this. But equally important, when you get to this position in the front, like it's really easy to be lazy like this, right? That's not the same as what happens when you do that. So this time through, let's use the other hand empty so that we can practice the Pilates at the same time we're practicing the actual reversal. Right hand is underhand. Here we go. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Back, up, front, down, front, up, back, down, 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 back, up, front, down. The left hand in overhand, right hand in underhand, so we'll do the Pilates with the right hand. Here we go, and we'll go forward first with the left hand. 5, 6, 7, 8, front, top, back, bottom, back, top, front, bottom, 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 back. Oopsie, said the wrong thing. Back, top, front, bottom, front, top, back, bottom, back, top, front, bottom, front, top, back, bottom, down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Anti-spin, reverse in spin, and reverse anti-spin. Come down, hold it there. And now here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna turn left and the butterfly turnaround. So to butterfly, open on the left side, underhand butterfly, and come back to here. Now we're gonna turn right and bring it into underhand butterfly on your right side, turn, open onto the other side, overhand butterfly, and then back to where you started. So if we did just that butterfly turnaround portion, we're starting here from the side, left hand's overhand, right hand's underhand. First thing you do is flip your right hand in as you turn left to overhand butterfly. Then flip your left hand out, and then you're in side opposite right on the left side as you're facing your audience. Then you're gonna turn away from your audience, still to the left, come into underhand butterfly on the back, so you can't see me now. Then you're gonna flip your left hand out, and you're back where you started. Now we're gonna reverse the turn and turn to the right. So you're gonna turn away from me, coming into underhand butterfly, and then we're gonna flip the right hand out, so you're on the other side, and then flip the left hand in to overhand butterfly, and the right hand out to back where you started. So let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, turning left, right flips, turning left, left flips, turning left, right flips, turning left, left flips. So you're back on the left side. Now we're gonna turn to the right, and 5, 6, 7, 8, turn right, left flips, turn right, right flips, turn right, left flips, turn right, right flips. Now, in the true spirit of a switchback, so to me a switchback is when you do, it's like a reversal only with your body, where you go 360 degrees one way, and then you switch back and you turn 360 the other way. So we want to try and connect these together immediately. So all 8 flips. Let's try that. The left hand is overhand, the right hand is underhand. We're on the side. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Right flip, left flip, right flip, left flip, left flip, turning right, right flip, left flip, right flip. 5, 6, 7, go. Right flip, left flip, right flip, left flip, left flip, right flip, left flip, right flip. And last time, 5, 6, 7, go. Right flip, left flip, right flip, left flip, left flip, right flip, left flip, right flip. Now the reversal, anti-spin, and spin, and then anti-spin one more time. Bring it down to the bottom and right flip, left flip, right flip, left flip, left flip, right flip, left flip, right flip. Anti-spin, then in spin, and then anti-spin. And now we're gonna turn left and right flip, left flip, right flip, left flip, left flip, right flip, left flip, right flip. Anti-spin, in spin, anti-spin, and left turn, right flip, left flip, right flip, left flip, left flip, right flip, left flip, right flip, anti-spin, in spin, anti-spin, left turn, right flip, right flip, left flip, left flip, right flip, left flip, right flip. Last time, anti-spin, in spin. One more time, anti-spin. Get ready for your left turn, right flip, right flip, left flip, right flip, left flip, right flip.